Hi guys, welcome to our channel on YouTube. Today we are going to learn how to add MetaMask extension on your browser. MetaMask is one of the wallets that support the currencies that work on the Ethereum blockchain. At first you have to search MetaMask on the Google and open the website. You can see some features here. Explore blockchain apps. MetaMask provides the simplest yet most secure way to connect blockchain-based applications. Now you have to click and get a start and MetaMask today. Here you can download iOS version or Android version. Here you can see the supported browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Brave and Edge. If you wanted to add MetaMask extension on your browser, you have to click on the Firefox and install MetaMask for Firefox. When you click on it and use this, add to Firefox, you have to wait and click on add. Now you have to click on OK to allow your Firefox add MetaMask on your browser. You have to click on get started. If you have ever been create an account, you have to use your phrases here to recover your wallet, or if you don't have any wallet, you have to click on a create a wallet. Now help us improve MetaMask. You have to agree. Here you have to use some password for your MetaMask wallet. I have to mention that your password must contain lowercase and uppercase. When you type your password, you have to tick here to show you have read and agree to the term of use. Click on create. So click on next. Now here is a secret recovery phrase. Whenever you lose your wallet, these phrases will help you to recover your wallet. Be careful, you have to save them securely, because whenever you lose your wallet, these phrases will help you to recover your wallet. So when you write them down, you have to click on next and put them here one by one. Now if you write them the phrases here, you have to confirm your secret recovery phrase. Click on confirm and see congratulations, your wallet created successfully. Here is your dashboard and you can send or buy cryptocurrencies here. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.